Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for heading over and joining me here on my channel, Septeria18. I had been asked by Erica from ScrapDiva Designs to be a guest designer for her design team, and I was really excited when she had reached out to me. And so she had sent me my design team package of all of her gorgeous dies that she designs, and I'm here to share with you what she sent me, and I'm going to put down below all the links to the products that are available now at her online store. I also have a 10% discount code for you if you are interested in purchasing the dies from ScrapDiva Designs. So I'll put all the links down below to her social media platforms as well, so you can have a look at all of the lovely products and designs for your inspiration if you're wanting to purchase some of the other dies that I haven't got here to share with you. But she sent me a big bundle of these dies. I can't believe how many she sent me, and I cannot wait to create with these dies and share with you what I've made, and also some process videos and what they look like as well once they have been I ran through my die cutting machine. I actually have not used my cutting machine for a little while, so when Erica sent me these dies, it's just given me an inspiration to get back into creating with the dies and using my machine. So I have two bundles here. These ones here in this bundle on my left are available now for you to purchase at her store. These ones here on my right are the new releases for Valentine's Day. So these are the Valentine's theme dies. So these are yet to be put in her store, but just keep checking her online store, and they will be put up there for you to purchase very shortly. So I'll put these ones to the side for now and show you these ones first. And these just look fantastic. They look really lovely. I can't wait to have a proper look at these with you as well. So this is her card that you will get in the post if you place your order, and then on the back are all of her details for her links to all her social media accounts, so you could have a look at her products. She also has a YouTube channel as well. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to get straight to the dies now. So this one here is a sunglass die set, and it's called the Heart Sunglasses. So this is a great one. I think this is like a shaker, and it has the two hearts that you layer on top of the background sunglass shape, and then you can make a shaker into the using the die. So this is cute. And this one here, these are huge. Like, you get a whole heap of these nesting dies, and these ones are called the Essential Bundle pack. And you get the circle shape and the oval shape. And if you look closely, these ones have a stitched edging around the circle as well as the oval shape, and you get quite a few in here. I think there is 7. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, sorry, these ones have a stitch edging, and then there is like a swirl embossing shape on the oval shape. Can you see? And that's a stitched one. So these ones have, I think there are 10 circle shapes, and then there are 7 oval shapes. And then on the back here are some more. The oval shape has the stitching, and then the circle shape has the swirl embossing on it. So I can't wait to run these through my cutting machine. I'll show you what they look like in my next video when I share with you. And then this one here, this is definitely another essential. You must have a bow die. You've got to have a bow die because these are perfect for all projects. And this one here is called the Swirl Bow, and you get 2 different sizes. You get the larger size, and then there is the smaller size, and then there are these pieces here that you layer on top of the back of the swirl part of the bow. And then you also get the tails, that join onto the bow. And this is the other tail for this one. And then you also get the center band that joins the bow together. This is a great size. This is a must-have, definitely a must-have in your craft supplies. And we also have the Valentine Bag Toppers. So these are perfect. So you just get yourself ready for Valentine's Day to send some goodies using the bag topper with the heart. And there are 3 sizes. So you get the larger size, a medium and a small size. So you can make 3 different size packaging for all of your goodies. And very detailed. Can't wait to use these. We all love bag toppers. So can't wait to work with that one. The next one is probably one of my favorites. This one is called the Pillow Box Purse. And this is the small size. And there is also a medium size pillow box purse as well that's available at Erica's store. So this is the, let me see. So this is the base of the purse when you cut it out, and this has a closure. This part here would be the closure, and then it's shaped like a pillow box. And then this part here is the layering part for the base. And then you get all the other little extra pieces in there so you could embellish the purse. There's a couple of bows and there's a heart. I think this would be a zipper part, which doesn't open. It's just a zipper part that you adhere to the pillow box, and then you get the little zip pulls that you can choose to add to the end. So there is a heart, and then you've got one of the little oval zipper pulls, as well as a bow. It's really cute. I might go this way. So that's the bow. So I can't wait to make one of these. I'm actually going to make one of these. My eldest daughter, is her birthday in January, so I have an idea where I want to make one of these, and then I'm going to use this as a gift box to add in some jewelry for her. And she loves accessories. Both my girls are really girly girls. They love handbags and accessories and makeup, so this would be a perfect little way for me to make something for her to add some fun gifts in there for her. So I can't wait to show you what I make with that. This one here, it's a nice large size die. It's a French Frie Box, and you can see they've got all of these little hearts inside. So I would believe when you run it through, the little hearts will punch out, and then you can use them into a shaker. So this is the other side. I would say this is the part you assemble the French fry box, and then you have a layering piece. There is also a heart that you can punch, that you can cut out, and it's all stitched. And then you also have this part as well for the French fry box. So this is going to be fun. I can't wait to make this French fry box. We also have a Valentine's Treat Box. Be perfect for a Valentine's theme. It's got all the hearts around the edge of the box that you're going to put together. There's like a label part here or a window part, and you can add it to the box so you can still see through the box. And then there are also these extra pieces here that you could use. This one has a stitch edge around the window, and there is another piece here that you could layer with. But I will show you the finished projects with the dies so you could get an idea of what they look like. There is also a stamp sheet that she has sent me, and this one is the Place Photo Here stamp clear sheet with all different fonts. Perfect for Happy Mail as well, or if you want to use it for a mini album, you can stamp some of these on your photo mats. It's got the date and time, location. So this is a perfect mini album project to use these stamps. So these are the ones that are now readily available for you to purchase, and you can use my discount code. The discount code is Septeria, so 10% off your order. And this bundle here is not yet ready in her stores, so this is the new release for Valentine, and I'm not sure what they're called, but I can show you what will be in her store. This, I would say, is like a tag. It's like a shaker tag. You get 2 sizes, and then there are all these cute little extra pieces that you can embellish with. The bow, there is like a label shape, and then you've got little reinforcement pieces here that you could add to the holes. And then on the other side is the base to create your shaker. So you have these 2 bases in the 2 sizes, and then these are the ones that you would place on the top. So I can't wait to make a couple of shakers with these as well. And we also have these flowers. And if I remember, she had these when she first released her dies. And this particular flower die set sold out really quick. So I think she will be restocking these. So you want to grab this set really quick. She has other flower dies in her store, but this one was, I think, one of the popular ones. We all love flower dies, so this is, again, I think, another essential craft supply. You've got to have flowers. We all love flowers, so another essential die to have. Look at this. Isn't this just fun? This is a large lip. I love this. This is just a perfect Valentine's theme die shape. And you get also the layering piece that goes on the top, and all of these fun little pieces that you could use to embellish. Oh, this is going to be so much fun to work with. And there are a couple of words in here. I think this would say smooch and kisses. Now, these are just really cute. Look at the cute little lip here. And these would be the layering pieces to go with that. There's a cute smaller one there as well. And then there is also a lip gloss bottle. This would be perfect to add to the handbag that I'm going to make for my daughter. I'm going to see. Or I could even... Yeah, I can't wait. This would be perfect to add with that, because they do wear lip gloss a lot, so that would be fun. So it's a nice big size. This would be great to make also into a little mini flip book album. I like this one. And we also have, this looks like a pocket envelope. It's got a closure, and there is like a pocket shape which you assemble to create a little pocket. And this would probably be, you can cut this up, I think. I'm not sure. I'll have to see what we can do with this when we cut this out with the machine. Oh, look, there's also a smaller one. So you get 2 sizes. You get this larger size and a smaller pocket envelope. Oh, this is really cute. And okay, I think this says shake it. So it's probably, oh, it's like a shaker. Might be a shaker envelope pocket. I'll work this out when I run it through the machine and have a play around with this. I can't wait. This would be something I would love to work with, because I do love pockets and envelopes. Oh, this is another great one. Oh, so I might even have to make a card for my daughter for her birthday. I might make this into a card, because they love perfume as well. So this is like a perfume bottle shape, but shaped into a heart. This is just great. I love this. And these are the layering pieces that you layer onto the perfume bottles. It's great. Erica's designs are amazing. And the sizes of these dies, they are just a great size. And then this is another one. This is the word love. And it looks like you can make this into an album because you've got the little holes here to create like a flip book or flip pages. This is the other side, which I think this is the layering piece for this one. And then you can also create this into a shaker. You can make this into a shaker, so this would be fun. And it is a big size. It's nice and long. Let me see what size this is. This would be a perfect album. So the length overall, it's roughly just under 9 inches. It's about 8 3/4 of an inch. And then the height is about 3.5 inches. So it's a nice, fairly long die. Love it. There are also some clear stamps that will be coming into her store. This is a Valentine's theme one with all different Valentine themes quote. Great for card making or to stamp onto tags or to add to your embellishments. And this is another one. So there's a lot here for you to choose. This is a perfect one for Happy Mail. I like all of the fonts. They're just so fun. So these are the 2 clear stamps that will be available. So these are my design team package, which I cannot wait to work with all of these. So we'll be back with some videos and projects on the dies, and I will also do some process videos on how to assemble some of these as well. So I can't wait to share with you my projects. I'll link everything down below for you, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.